Hey, this is Home Inspector Dan. Did a sewer cam up here in Scottsdale today. It started backing up on me. I went down the side of the house there on a clean out. We've got a clay tile roof. Sorry for the sun. Clay tile roof, so I can't walk on it. So I had to go in the side, right behind the primary sink. Went down the clean out. So on the front of the house, I was looking for clean outs. Usually we'll have one or two clean outs in the front so we can drop our camera down. That would go out into the drain of the street, and then it would go back under the house and collect all the sewage and wastewater that goes down in the drain pipes and flush down. The one thing we noted was this huge tree in the front yard, right above where the clean out should be. And sometimes when landscapers come in, they'll add rocks on top of the clean outs and then they'll disappear, and then we can't find them again. So that's why I had to go through the clean out on the side of the house. It's a little bit tight, but this is about a 22-year-old house, if I'm not right, 23-year-old house. Sometimes what happens is roots will back up in the system, roots will grow down in the drain pipe and create a blockage, so all of our debris that we flush down the toilet gets stuck, and it makes it even worse. And then when we run bathtubs or something that pushes a lot of water down the drain system, it'll actually back up into the toilet, back up into the sink and the bathtub. It's gross, but let's take a look at it. Bathtub's been full of water with the drain valve open for about 15 minutes. It's slowly going down. I got some bubbling out of this toilet, some toilet paper in it. Then in the shower in the primary, we've got more issues, more debris, kind of stinks. It's time to get this line cleaned out. Even the bathtub on the other side of the house is starting to back up a little bit. This is Home Inspector Dan in Phoenix, Arizona. Let me know in the comments below if you think this sewer cam was worth it.